Hey YouTube, welcome back to another Zittle Farms YouTube video. On today's video, we're going to be going over the steps on installing this electric poultry net fence for the chickens here. Some of the chickens have been going into the woods, so we want to keep them more contained so we can not keep our eye on them. We will still let them roam the whole farm when we're outside and whatnot, but just to keep them a little more safe. All right, so we have the Stark Line electric poultry netting all-in-one kit. We got this from Tractor Supply. It was around 500 bucks. It's the 42-inch tall by 160 foot long. Comes with the charger. It's a solar thing and everything you need to put it in. All right, now that we got everything out of the box, we have the netting, the grounding rod, grounding wire, the hookup to go from the fence to the charger, or the actual battery pack that I have sitting in the sun right now charging up. Looks like a tester to see if it's working, and then looks like a two-prong power supply. So if you don't want to do the sun solar, you can just plug it right into a regular outlet. So let's undo these plastic straps and put the fence around. So it looks like you hold the fence rods, and then as you go along, you just throw the fence rods down and lay it out first. And then you go in and put it into the ground is the easiest way. They do say for best working is for the two ends to be together, but we're gonna do one on one side of the run to end on the other side. We'll see how that goes. I might have to run a wire from this end over to the other beginning so it can get some power too. We'll try that. We'll see what we're gonna have to do. Might have to make some adjustments, but let's see how it goes. All right. So it might be hard to see, or pretty simple. I think these gaps between the posts are a little too far. And one of the reviews that Lizzie read on the internet was that you will have to get another fence post to help with the sag in the fence because it weighs so much. So you can see here it's not too bad, or even the next one, but I think it would be better if we do get more post to hold that up. So for $2.50 each, I bought these extra support posts at Tractor Supply to help hold up the fence, as you can see over here. Much better and more taut. See that extra post there? Now it's more like a fence. All right, so we have a wire that's ran from the end of the fence here down along the coop, and it runs to the hook up here. So from the battery pack, it's going to this side of the fence and then to this wire, which then goes on to the other side of the fence. So it does get a full circle then. As you can see, we did put in a gate. I was debating a 4-foot gate or a 6-foot gate. Ended up going with 6 foot, just in case if I need to get my mower in here to mow. But as you can see, the chickens have been keeping the grass low. Some spots are high, but it's not too bad. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to put up the electric chicken poultry fence. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. If you haven't already, subscribe. Give it a thumbs up if you learned something. See you guys on the next one.